In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create milestones in Smartsheet step by step. Milestones are a powerful way to track key deliverables, deadlines, and important checkpoints in your project, and setting them up correctly can make your sheets much easier to understand at a glance. Whether you're managing a small task list or a large project plan, milestones help everyone stay aligned. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log into your Smartsheet account. Once you're logged in, go to the sheet where you want to create your milestones. This could be an existing project sheet or a brand new one you're setting up. Make sure you're viewing the sheet in grid view because that's where we'll be creating and editing columns. If you don't see grid view, look at the top toolbar and switch to it before continuing. Now that your sheet is open, the next step is to create a new column that will be used specifically for milestones. To do this, move your cursor to the column header area, right-click on any existing column, and choose the option to insert a new column. When the column settings window opens, you'll be asked to select a column type. From the list of available column types, select checkbox. This is important because milestones in Smartsheet are typically represented using checkbox columns, which makes them easy to filter, track, and visualize. After selecting the checkbox column type, give your column a clear and meaningful name. A common and simple name is milestone, but you can also use something more specific like project milestone or key milestone if that fits your workflow better. Once you've entered the name, click Save to add the column to your sheet. You should now see a new checkbox column appear in your grid. At this point, you've successfully created the foundation for tracking milestones. To use this column, simply check the box on any row that represents a milestone task. For example, if you have a row for project kickoff, design approval, or final delivery, you can mark those rows as milestones by checking the box in the milestone column. This makes it immediately clear which tasks are key checkpoints in your project. You can also take this a step further by using Smartsheet features like filters or conditional formatting. For instance, you can create a filter to show only rows where the milestone checkbox is checked, allowing you to quickly view all milestones in one place. With conditional formatting, you can highlight milestone rows with a different color, making them stand out visually for anyone viewing the sheet. And that's really all there is to it. By creating a simple checkbox column and labeling it as a milestone, you can easily track and manage important project moments in Smartsheet. This small setup can make a big difference in how clearly your project progress is communicated to your team. If this video helped you learn how to create milestones in Smartsheet, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.